Welcome to the Funeral Program Site Questions and Answers video series. Today's question is, how do I make a graduated funeral program? Before we begin, please take a moment to like and subscribe to our channel. Doing so enables us to continue making great content for printed memorials. Thank you, and we certainly appreciate you joining our YouTube community. A graduated funeral program makes for a unique and attractive printed memorial. You will find this type of program offers versatility in the number of pages, number of tabs, and the fold location. The graduated program is assembled with an offset fold, revealing the labeled tab. If you want to create this style from scratch, the first thing you will need to do is find the fold lines. To do this, you need to get a blank sheet of paper, 1 or 2 depending on how many pages you will be creating. Start with an offset fold, revealing a side or bottom tab, as if it were the completed program. Open the blank sheet and measure from left to right where the fold is. Take note of this fold measurement and set it within the software you will use to make the program. For an 8-sided graduated program, you will need to do this for each page. This is how you will determine where to set your fold lines within the software document. Because this can be a complicated style to set up, we recommend downloading a graduated funeral program template, instead of trying to create it from scratch. This will save you much time because the foundation is already laid out for you. The setup can be quite extensive, depending on how many pages you want to create. The funeral program site offers 4 and 8-sided graduated style programs with a side or bottom fold. We've already prepared the measuring and software setup for you, so all you need to do is begin editing your text. We even have filler text within the graduated program template to help guide you along. Check out our many designs for every size and background in our graduated funeral program style, only available at thefuneralprogramsite.com.